in the Autonomous Council. It should be made there. We have got the power. This is called autonomous power. Now, with the instigation of the government and these who are anti-tribal people, they instigated us. They instigated our people. And in 2011 and 2021, the MOS was signed to take away our fundamental power, which is in paragraph 2, subparagraph 7. And so council is conducted by Panchayat law. Panchayat is for village. It is very low. Councils is very high. It is almost a mini state, a mini country. Not mini state, but mini country. Now mini country has been brought down to village level. This is shameful, and we thought that we have got more power. Now therefore, we are educating the people. What is the sixth schedule? What is there in the Constitution of India? What is there in IPC, CRPC, Evidence Act and all other laws, land laws, everything. So we are here not only to fight election, but to educate the people, because knowledge is power. We must have knowledge. If we don't have knowledge, whatever power we have, we will surrender and we will think that we have got more power. Foolishly, it is a foolish thing. The Assam government, India government has made us fools. Therefore, now, from APHLC, I am contesting a candidate. I am a contesting candidate for number 6 Difu ST constituency as MP. I request, I appeal to you to vote for me by pressing at Kenchi. My symbol is Kenchi or Caesar, they call it Kenchi or Caesar. You put your finger on it and make me win. If I win, I will not be your Lord, but I will be your servant according to law. MP, MLA, minister, everybody is government servant. I will be government servant. I will not be your Lord. I appeal to you to make me your servant and make me an MP and enable me to speak out for you and fight for you in parliament, in front of all ministers, in front of all the departments, ministry there in Delhi or anywhere. Now I will fight also for you in the United Nations. I have been there in United Nations, and I have already submitted a paper in United Nations in New York. I will do it again. I will pursue those papers in New York, and I'll work for you. So I appeal to you to make me win in this election, and I will remain here at least 4 or 5 days in a month in Haflong, and to enable me and all other MPs who will come after me to stay in Haflong, I will also construct a small quarters for MP. I don't want to say bungalow. Bungalow is a big thing. I don't want to be a big man. I will stay in a quarter in Assam type house in Haflong. I thank you. I appeal to you. Thank you.